Many Brazilian cities were built over the Atlantic forest. Amongst them, São Paulo was the one that deforested the most. Did any native trees survive this uncontrolled urbanism? Yes. 20 trees were found and named war veterans. To help the population to take care of these trees, we created a complaint service called Greenspam, an email with 710 recipients: the president, governors, mayors, ministers, senators, city council, all together in a single quote. At every complaint, they all got informed. A simple tool to help the population preserve the past.